Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Thursday, April 25th. We'll see precipitation chances continue each and every day through the weekend as we get some cooler temperatures back into the region. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points we're going to focus on today, again, looking at that active weather pattern continuing through the weekend. What that means for us is some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms each day as temperatures see that cooling trend. Courtesy of those cooler temperatures in the area, we will see the potential for some accumulating mountain snowfall, generally above that 7,000 to 8,000 foot mark. We're going to look at a warmer and drier return for weather for some early part of next week. We'll see some isolated showers continue, but overall getting some southwest flow back into the area will lead to some warmer temperatures for early next week. And a quick look at satellite for you this morning does show a shortwave trough lifting northeast out of the Great Basin. It's going to be a main driver of our cloud cover, showers, and instability over the coming days. But further to our northwest, a more organized system off the coast will continue to shift south and east over the coming days. That'll keep more widespread precipitation chances in the forecast for especially Friday and Saturday. And look at the bigger picture for you guys. So again, split upper level trough over the west right now. Got two areas of low pressure, one over the southwest and one up into western Canada. But we're keeping an eye on this area of low pressure that's currently off the coast there, the Pacific Northwest. That's expected to strengthen and intensify as it slowly meanders its way into our region for Friday and Saturday. And look at the weather risk outlook for your next 5 days. We'll just focus again. You see the similar pattern there. Chance for showers and storms each and every day with some concerns on the Pocatello River, especially seeing those flooding impacts continue until further notice. And speaking of those hydro updates, this is just taking a look at what we got. So still seeing some minor to moderate flooding potential on the Pocatello River as you get down towards Lava Hot Springs into Pocatello, and just some near flood stage, some of our other rivers as you get up towards Willow Creek, Blackfoot River, and into portions of the Snake River just northeast of Idaho Falls there. Temperatures today will be a warm morning, courtesy of some southerly flow overnight, 30s to mid to upper 40s for across the board, with afternoon highs comfortable but cooler than yesterday, seeing more of those 50s and 60s. And here's a look at those best chances for thunderstorms today. We're mainly focused across eastern Idaho. See that represented well here on the HREF probabilities, highlighting about that 30 to 40% chance further west in the central part of our forecast area, increasing pretty substantially as you get east of I-15 into Wyoming. And a quick look at timing for you again. This is the HRRR model. So we're taking a look at this morning. We did see some rain, at least here at the Pocatello Airport earlier this morning. And those showers will continue to lift north and east throughout the morning hours. So may see a sprinkle or two out there for you this morning, rumble of thunder potentially. But overall for this afternoon and evening, that's where we're going to see the best chances for some thunderstorms. Again, favored across the eastern portion of the state, maybe some isolated stuff further west. But as you get up towards Idaho Falls, Island Park, Driggs this afternoon, could see some bands of more organized thunderstorms working through that area. And with that, some strong wind gusts, some hail, and some brief moderate to heavy rain with some of those more organized cells. Heading into the overnight hours tonight, should stay mostly dry, still looking at some isolated scattered showers for the most part. But for Friday, we're going to start to see that more widespread precipitation slowly begin to build in out of the west. That'll support some more widespread thunderstorm chances for Friday, and that'll kind of continue throughout the day, Friday into Saturday, as that more unsettled pattern continues, with that low working through the southern Great Basin for Friday into Saturday. And here's a look at those wind gusts for today. So following yesterday's winds, we are going to see those winds ramp up, especially around the Magic Valley, lower Snake Plain today. Gusts around 25 to 40 miles an hour. And for your Friday, pretty similar temperatures in the morning there, 30s and 40s across the board, with afternoon highs in the 40s and 50s, maybe some low 60s in portions of the Magic Valley. And for tomorrow, we're looking at thunderstorms across the entire area. So as far as getting more moisture in here, what that means is just some increasing chances for some more widespread precipitation chances, with best chances for thunderstorms, most likely in the mountains, but certainly can't rule out a rumble of thunder or two across the area. And for your Friday, we'll keep those winds pretty breezy there in the Magic Valley. It looks like that'll be the going trend here for at least the next several days, getting some gusty westerly winds with some of that moisture building in from the Pacific. And for your Saturday, rinse and repeat in the morning, 30s and 40s to start things off for your Saturday. Afternoon highs, 40s, 50s to low 60s. And for Saturday, this is when we're going to be expecting those strongest winds around the Magic Valley. Could see gusts anywhere from about 40 to 55 miles an hour, especially as you head into Twin Falls, northwest towards Boise area through the Treasure Valley. Really favorable wind direction for that on Saturday, as that system is now going to be to our south. So with that, it's helping to tighten that pressure gradient, allowing for some stronger winds in that direction as we get some northerly winds beginning to fill in across the upper Snake River Plain, kind of that competing flow with some stronger winds further west. And here's a look at the 72-hour QPF snow amounts Thursday through tomorrow and Friday, so Friday and Saturday. So overall, generally about a quarter to a half inch of precipitation for most folks. As you get further west, it's where we're kind of seeing those drier conditions, Magic Valley, up north towards Stanley, but especially as you get further north and east up towards Lemhi County and along the Montana-Wyoming border region, we could see some pretty appreciable moisture, anywhere from about a half inch to an inch of liquid through the end of Saturday, and with that potential for some higher accumulations as you get well above into the higher terrains. So not expecting too many concerns at mountain passes, maybe a trace to a couple inches, but certainly something to keep in mind if you're headed into the backcountry for Friday and Saturday. And for your Sunday, cool morning, 20s, 30s, and 40s just across the board, with afternoon highs still hanging out in those 40s, 50s to mid 60s. And wind gusts on Sunday, that will be the warmest, the breeziest day there on Saturday for the Magic Valley. So winds taper off slightly for Sunday, still holding on to gusts about 20 to 35 miles an hour. And for your Monday, we'll start that warming trend heading into early next week. So overnight lows still in those 20s, 30s, low 40s. Afternoon highs in the 50s to upper 60s. And here's a look at those temperatures for Tuesday and Wednesday, highlighting that warming trend as we head towards the middle part of next week, with many areas back into the mid 60s to mid 70s. And a look at what's to come. So again, starting to see that return to some more near normal to above normal temperatures, rounding out the month of April into the early part of May. And with respect to precipitation, we'll remain just on the cusp, kind of in between that below normal favored to above normal favored to our north. So kind of just seeing some near normal precipitation chances as we head into the first part of May. 8 to 14, not a whole lot of change there temperature-wise. Still favored to see those above normal favored to near normal favored temperatures through that May 2nd through the 8th time frame. And with respect to precipitation, again, right on the cusp of that near normal to slightly leading above normal for that precipitation category. And what that means, we'll just keep some showers and thunderstorms in the area, at least heading into that May 2nd through 8th time frame. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome Thursday and stay safe out there.